Some exciting news here at Active HQ. It's been a long time coming, but we are finally happy to introduce the new Active 3.0. We've been in the pressure washer game for quite a long time, almost 20 years of history. The Active 3.0 is a ground-out development. Under 20 amps for a 120 volt circuit to output 3.0 GPM at 1000 PSI. We could push it further, but that's for later. For now, this is what it is. It comes with a fully forged brass head pump with 15mm pistons, and the pistons are all ceramic coated. The whole body of the pump is forged brass, and it comes with an induction motor that is a low-speed motor revolving at about 1600 RPM, which keeps the sound down but the performance all the way up. This machine is quite the beast. It weighs close to 60 pounds. I think the shipping weight of it is about 62 pounds, so it's almost there. It comes as a 2-rolly version, so you get the pressure washer itself, you get a nozzle holder, you get 4 tips, and you get a 1.65mm orifice for your foam cannon. I think the design is quite sleek. You've got the handle with anodized aluminum to match the pump head, and I think it's going to go really well with your active wall mount solution instead of the 2.3 if you want to upgrade. So here we have it all mounted up, 3.0 logo on the side, the fan cover, the electric box set, wire all the way to the microswitch. The microswitch is a terminal microswitch, so if it fails, you can easily swap it out without having to worry about the wiring. And there's the oil chamber in here where you can put the oil in from here and drain the oil in when you need to. So the service life of this is, first service should be done in 25 hours and every 100 hours thereafter, or every 6 months, whichever comes first. But we feel we really made a step up here and really been able to give you what you guys truly want. No more dual setups. Run one Active 3.0 on a 20 amp circuit, you get all the flow you need.